Phil, where the fuck am I? Hey! How's it going? I'm making your airplane for you. Show them what you want.
Oh, right now.
That's tripling now. No, that's doubling it.
Why let her go? Такі стінкою не пускай, пилюля.
Okay, watch out. Here comes Phill upon his.
Ah, he thinks it's gonna fly. З стінкою опусти. Oh lordy.
Just what up?
It's gonna go into the stink. You gotta point it this way. Because
Hold that wing a little bit out.
I told you.
Well, that's because.
See, you gotta throw it and then let her spin.
Well, that's because when I let go of it, then it does that. Yeah.
Well, what happens is the torque coming off the prop is pushing the ass over.
Okay, Phill, if it's gonna fly this time, I'll throw it. Maybe.
Ready? The taxi's pretty good.
We better launch her off the.
You gotta go outside and throw the thing.
Lloyd, what are you making?
I'm making the glider to your plane.
It does fly towards the wall like a magnet.
That's because the wheels are crooked too.
That's enough.
That's because of the torque from the propeller.
Oh, I
Well, why
said.
doesn't it fly that way then from the torque?
Okay, well wind the prop the other way and it'll go the other way.
Oh, okay.
Try it, you'll see.
Yeah, go backwards.
You can't go backwards. That propeller will only wind the rubber band one way.
No, I can't.
It will. Try. You'll see.
Yeah, it only does one way.
Fucking guys think I'm stupid or what?
It's winding it.
No, it's
Yeah, it's winding it. It's got a fucking clip in it.
not. Yeah, and the thing and the prop.
I've worked on these planes for 10 years now. I know. Me and Phil bought them last summer, I remember.
That's when I take off on the real plane, I apply right rudder.
Well, the right rudder, Nima on this one.
But what'll work, Lorne, is if you give it a little bit of push first. It's just that initial thing. Look what happens. See, the prop is turning this way. Look,
Yeah.
and it twists it over. But let the propeller spin, and then just kind of push it along, and it'll. I'm sure it'll go straight then. There you go.
Ooh, that was a good one. Crash and burn. You want to see that again, Phill?
Uh-huh.